Now let's work on the frame for the windows. We're going to use another Autodesk material for these parts of the window. Continue from the previous section, or open the file Chapter 16 Office Suite Material 06.max from the Chapter 16 directory. Make sure the Compact Material Editor is open. Click on the AEC Window Material sample slot. It should be right here. Again, this is a multi-sub-object material that we're using for the AEC window objects we have in our scene. We're going to set the first material slot to be our metal material. In the material list, click on the ID1 material slot. There is no default for each of the submaterials. In the Material Map browser, navigate down to the Material Mental Ray Rollout and select the Autodesk Metal material from the list. Double-click on the material to use this material for ID number 1. Let's go ahead and name this material Brushed Metal. Type in Brushed Metal in the Material Name Type-In area and then press Enter. In the Metal Material Parameters rollout, we're going to change the type of metal. Click the down arrow to open the drop-down list and choose stainless steel from the list. This changes the parameters of the surface to react to light like stainless steel. Then, we want to change the finish. In the Finish drop-down, change it to a brushed finish. The Autodesk material provides a very simple way of working, so there's no parameters we need to adjust after this. Click on the Go to Parent button, which will take us back to the top level of our multi-sub-object material. We then want to instance this material to the other open material slots of the multi-sub-object material. In this case, we want to instance it to IDs 2, 4, and 5. To do that, click and hold the left mouse button over the Autodesk Metal material in ID 1. Then drag the material on top of the material in ID 2. Let go of the mouse button. In the Instance Copy Method dialog that appears, make sure the Instance option is highlighted. Select Instance, then select OK. We're going to repeat this process for both ID number 4 and ID number 5. Again, click and drag from ID number 2 down to ID number 4. Release the mouse button. Click OK to instance the material, and again, the same thing. Click and drag from ID 4 to ID 5. Click OK to instance the material. That populates all of the material ID slots that we are using for the metal material with an instance of the Autodesk Metal material that we have set to be our brushed steel surface. We've already applied the material to the windows. Now we can go ahead and save this scene.